Kia ora, my name is Sarah from Whangarei Hospital. I'm here at the brand new ANZCA in Tamaki Makaurau, the location of the ANZCA ASM 2026. As co-conveners for the workshops and small group discussions, Mark and I are very proud to deliver an exciting and varied workshop programme that meets all of your CPD expectations. You may not have seen that we have recently added some fantastic airway workshops, and there are still limited spaces available in the rest of our workshop programme. Whether you are interested in mastering your own performance, improving teamwork, introducing NR Fit to your hospital, or want to boost sustainability, we're confident we have the workshop for you. There is the option to sign up for workshops when you register for the meeting, but if you've already registered, there's still plenty of time to edit and add on workshops to your registration. So take another look at our workshop programme and get signing up because Mark and I and the rest of the organising committee, we can't wait to welcome you here in May.